Hi, my name's Joel Heath, founder of FluidStance. I'm going to show you how to use the level today. Feel free to grab a hold of the desk, take a step on the right side, take a step about shoulder width on the left side, and your body naturally knows how to balance itself. It's just fairly simple. We built it very subtle. We built a brace on back at 16 degrees, similar to where you heel strike when you walk, and you got that same protection on the front. Feel free to spin, let your body do what it naturally wants to do, and type away. Now that the level's here at your desk, I want to show you the best way to use it and where to place your feet. The great thing is, there are really no rules. Feel free to place them wherever you feel comfortable. Some people like to go perpendicular to the desk. Some people like to go one-footed. One of my favorites is just straightforward. There's no rules as long as you just keep moving. People ask me all the time, how do I make sure my desk is at the right height? You want to make sure that your arms are parallel to the floor when it's at the right height. Obviously, this is a little too low for me, so we'll go ahead and raise it on up. You want your eyes to be about 2 inches below the top of the monitor, and about this height here is comfortable. You want to make sure that it's not pushing your shoulders up to your ears and not too low that you're hunched over. There you go. Sometimes your level migrates away from your desk where you want it to be. I'll show you a quick, easy step to go back. We call it the penguin walk. Let's say you've been working for a long time and your board has started to get further away from the desk that you want to be. Simply just grab onto your desk, shift your weight to your toes, and alternate back and forth. The level will bring you back forward. It also works side to side. You wander on over here, or you can even mosey on back. It's easy to do. It's about shifting your weight. It's a great way to keep moving throughout your day. Have a great one. We all love to work standing up, but there is a time to sit. So when you go to the seated position, don't put your level away. It's a great fidget tool. Let me show you how. Go to the seated position, scoot on up, feet shoulder width apart, and just let it rip. It's a great way to move side to side, front to back. Keeps your circulation going, keeps you moving.